Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel again. In this video I'll show you how can you fix the issue when you're working with your Windows 11 PC and sometimes it just go in a flicker mode. Like when you are dragging up the windows, it's just going with a note like it's flickering simultaneously, and at that moment nothing works. Like if you try any keyword or keystroke, anything. So there are two things you can do. First, you can hold Windows and L to lock it instantly. Okay, that will lock your computer screen by just holding Windows and L. This is the first thing you can do. Or you can also do one more thing, is that hit Control Alt and Delete together like this, and that's going to give you into this mode. And then you can open your task manager, and directly from here you have to search for this Explorer. Okay, once you select your Windows Explorer, you have to click over this, go to details, and just simply end this process. Okay, and once you do that, it's going to disappear this your taskbar panel from the bottom, and then you have to run a new command, and that would be explorer.exe. this is going to execute your fresh Explorer for you. And check this and hit OK, and once you do that, that's going to reappear with a fresh panel. And after that, you have to do one and last final thing, which is going to be opening the command prompt, and make sure you open it with the administrator privileges. Hit yes, and here you have to paste one command, and that would be this line, reg delete this key value, and it will shut down your PC instantly. Okay, so just hit OK, and that will get the job done. And once your system is restarted by itself, it's just going to be working fine. Okay, so this is the way that I found useful, and it worked me in some different ways, or you can say angles. So it is the way you can do to deal with this problem, and this is one more time thing, and I think it's going to be useful for you guys too. Thanks for watching.